Friends, in this video you will see the complete review of Vivo Y55 smartphone. So let's start the video. Hi friends, this is Vivo Y55 smartphone. First of all, we will see the colors and the body dimension of this smartphone. This smartphone is available in two different colors as you are looking on the screen, and the thickness of this smartphone is 8.42 mm as you are looking. Next we see the speaker of this smartphone, Vivo Y55. You can also play games on this smartphone with very best speed and with great performance. The Vivo Y55 smartphone is available in 8GB RAM with 4GB extended quality. Its internal storage is 128GB. You can extend it 1TB. Next we will talk about its camera. Its main camera is 50 megapixel with autofocus on feature. You can record best quality videos and images through this camera. So this was the complete review of Vivo Y55 smartphone. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.